shout out to today's sponsor, Shine Armor. Thank you for sponsoring today's video. Now today we are going to be reviewing their new graphene ceramic spray. This stuff is supposed to help protect your paint in every situation possible. It's supposed to help defend from water droplings, water spots. This stuff right here is supposed to help defend from water spots on your vehicle's paint, as well as defend your vehicle from bugs, sap, and droppings. Now, we're gonna go ahead and try this stuff out on the boosted Godspeed Audi A4 and see how this stuff really reacts. Damn, bro.
What?
Bro, it's like a mirror.
Is it really?
Like, no BS. No way. The difference here, insane. Yo, and it glides.
Do that again?
Yo. Shine Armor. As you guys can see, the towel does get stuck. It should be able to glide. Now we're gonna do the same motion here. Same amount of force. Same amount of force.
Can you use that as a selling point? Why did I just tell you? God, dude.
Shine Armor. Where do we go from here?
We go get the water and then show them. Because that's the main selling point of graphene ceramic spray.
It's supposed to help repel water spotting. We're gonna make it seem like it's raining up in here. Yo. I would say it's actually doing its job. Wait a damn minute. Wait a minute here. Look at those nice beads.
Wow.
Oh! Wow. Let's see what happens on the roof.
Wow, look at that.
If you guys do want to go use code Cruz down in the description to buy some Shine Armor, they actually do have a lot of great products on their website that you guys can go and buy. Thank you again, Shine Armor, for sponsoring today's video. We really do appreciate it. Now let's get back into the normal programming.